Hello children, Sai Ram. Today children, I am going to take new voice revision. Okay, for essay 1. I am going to take revision for essay 1. That is multiple choice questions. Shall we start children? Okay. Number 1. Click the correct meaning of rinse. In the poem, I wish the poet says that if she was an elephant, she would rinse her body with her long trunk. She would fill water in her trunk and she would splash it in her body. She would rinse her body. So click the correct meaning of rinse. Wash, laugh, dry. Which is the correct answer? Wash. Very good. Click the correct meaning of rinse. Wash, laugh, dry. The correct answer is wash. Next one. Number 2. Click the correct meaning of dashing. Now in the poem, I wish the poet says that if I was a dolphin, she would be very dashing when she leaps and splashes in the water. When she leaps, she feels that she will be dashing when she leaps and splashes in the water. Now click the correct meaning of dashing. Sad, poor, beautiful. Which is the correct answer? Beautiful. Click the correct meaning of dashing. Sad, poor, beautiful. Correct answer is beautiful. Meaning of dashing is beautiful. Okay, next one. Click the correct meaning of grave. Now here in the poem, Froggies at school, the master froggy who teaches the other little froggies, he is very grave and stern. He is very strict. He tells the other froggies, first you have to study and then play. Click the correct meaning of grave. Happy, serious, sorrow. Which is the correct answer? Serious. Very good. Click the correct meaning of grave. Happy, serious, sorrow. Correct answer is serious. Next one. Click the correct rhyming word of nose. Now in I Wish poem, the poet says that if she was an elephant, she would use her long nose as a garden hose. What is the meaning of hose? Hose means it's a pipe. It's a rubber pipe where water flows through it. So the the poet says that if she had a long nose, she would use it like a hose. Click the correct rhyming word of nose. Hose, tooth or brush. Correct answer is very good. Hose. Next one. Click the correct rhyming word of school. Now, in Froggies at school, the 20 froggies go to school, which is besides the pool. They all go to school on time. They go to school, which is besides the pool. Correct answer is pool, turn or drive. Which is the correct answer? Pool. Very good. Click the correct rhyming word of school. Pool, turn, drive. The correct answer is pool. Very good. Next. Click the correct rhyming word for green. Now in the poem Froggies at School, when the froggies go to school, they wear green coats. They wear green coats and clean white vests. They wear clean coat, they wear green coat and clean white vests. So click the correct rhyming word for green. Dirty, clean, rule. Which is the correct answer? Clean. Clean is the correct answer. Click the correct rhyming word for green. Dirty, clean, rule. Correct answer is clean. Very good. Next, fill in the blanks. The speaker of the poem, I wish, would like to dash if she were a dolphin. In the poem, I wish, the poet says that if she were a dolphin, what would she do? Would she swim with fish, sing song, or play with a ball? She would swim with fish. The speaker of the poem, I wish, would like to dash if she were a dolphin. Swim with fish, sing song, play with ball. She would like to swim with fish. Very good. Next. If the speaker were an elephant, she would use her nose like a... Now, in the lesson, I wish, if the speaker, that means the poet, says that if she was an elephant, she would use her nose like a what? Garden hose to rinse herself. Hose means it's like a rubber pipe where water passes through it. If the speaker were an elephant, she would use her nose like a... Very good. Garden hose. Tap, pipe or garden hose. The correct answer is garden hose. Next. When they go to school, the froggies, now the 20 froggies, they go to school which is besides the pool. So what they do when they go to school? Play in the mud, follow rules, do not follow rules. They follow rules. When they go to school, the froggies play in the mud, follow rules, do not follow rules. Yes, the correct answer is follow rules. Very good. Next one, 10th one. At school, the master teaches the froggies how to... Now, in the poem, Froggies at School, the froggies, they go to school, which is besides the pool. And what does the master teaches them? To catch flies, leap and dive, or play. He teaches them how to leap and dive. At school, the master teaches the froggies how to catch flies, leap and dive, play. The master teaches them how to leap and dive. The correct answer is leap and dive. Next one. Click the correct meaning of hay. Now in the lesson, Stone Soup, when the three soldiers, they go to a village, they are very hungry and tired. They ask for food, but the villagers do not give them food. They hide the food. Where do they hide? In the hay. So what is hay? Click the correct meaning of hay. What is the meaning of hay? Wet grass, dry grass, or dry leaves? Correct answer is dry grass. Click the correct meaning of hay. Wet grass, dry grass, dry leaves. Correct answer is dry grass. Very good. Next one. 12th one. Click the correct past tense of walk. In the lesson, Satya watch out. Every Sunday, Satya goes out with his mother to the field. And the field is not close to their house. It is far away. So, they have to walk to the field. So, click the correct past tense of walk. Walks, walking, walked. Which is the correct answer? Walked. Very good. Click the correct past tense of walk. Walks, walking, walked. The correct answer is walked. Very good. Next one. Click the correct past tense of fear. In the lesson Stone Soup, when the three soldiers, they go to the village. When they go to a village, the villagers, they don't give them any food to eat. Why they don't give them? Because they fear strangers. Click the correct past tense of fear. Feared, fearing, fears. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Which is it? Feared. Click the correct past tense of fear. Feared, fearing, fears. Correct answer is feared. Next one. 14th one. Click the correct opposite of kind. Now, when the three soldiers, they go to a village, they knock at the door, one door, and they tell, kind lady, we are very hungry and tired. Please give us some food. So, what is the opposite of kind? Sad, fresh, or cruel? What is the correct answer? It is cruel. Very good. Click the correct opposite of kind. Sad, fresh, cruel. The correct answer is cruel. Very good. Next one. Who said to whom? Use the strong branches, my little monkey. In the lesson, Satya watch out. Every Sunday, Satya goes with his mother to the field where his mother works. So when his mother is working, Satya, he jumps from this branch to another branch. Okay, now use the strong branches, my little monkey. Who said this? Amma said to Satya, Appa said to Satya, Akka said to Satya. Correct answer is yes. Amma said to Satya. Use the strong branches, my little monkey. Amma said to Satya. Appa said to Satya. Akka said to Satya. Amma said to Satya is the correct answer. Next one. Thank God we have reached our village. Now the three soldiers, they were very tired and hungry. They were walking. When they saw a village, one of the soldiers said, thank God we have reached the village. Who said this? Ivan said to his friends. Leo said to his friends. Benny said to the villagers. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Ivan said to his friends. Thank God we have reached a village. Ivan said to his friends. Leo said to his friends. Benny said to the villagers. Correct answer is Ivan said to his friends. Next one. Click the correct option. The three soldiers were very tired and dash. Now the three soldiers, they were walking. After walking for quite a long time, they saw a village. Okay, they were very happy to see the village. Why? Because the three soldiers were very tired and what? Were they hungry, thirsty or sad? Which is the correct answer? Yes, they were very tired and hungry. The three soldiers were very tired and hungry. Okay, next one. 18th one. Click the correct answer. Where had the villagers hidden the carrots? Now, in the lesson Stone Soup, when the three soldiers were very hungry and they were asking the villagers to give them some food, but they refused to give them food. They hid their food. Where did they hide the carrots? In the cupboard, in the quilt, in the kitchen. Where did they hide the carrots? Tell. Yes, in the quilt. Where had the villagers hidden the carrots? In the cupboard, in the quilt, in the kitchen. Correct answer is in the quilt. Now next one. 19th one. What reason did the villagers give for not having anything to make the soup with? Now the three soldiers, when the villagers did not give them food, they decided to make soup. But to make soup they need some vegetables. But the villagers didn't give them. What was the reason they gave? That their harvest was poor or that they do not make soup? Which is the correct answer? Yes, that their harvest was poor. What reason did the villagers give for not having anything to make the soup with? That their harvest was poor, that they do not make soup. Correct answer is that their harvest was poor. Okay, next one. 20th one. Where does the story take place? Now in the lesson, Satya watch out. Now Satya lives with his Tata, Appa, Amma and Akka. Where does he live? Does he live in a small village in Maharashtra, in a small village in Tamil Nadu, or in a small village in Gujarat? Where does he live with his family? In a small village in Tamil Nadu. Where does the story take place? In a small village in Maharashtra, in a small village in Tamil Nadu, in a small village in Gujarat. The correct answer is in a small village in Tamil Nadu. Okay children, that's all. Now you all should revise these questions. Okay children.
Today I am going to take composition. Okay. In composition I am going to do revision for essay 1. Multiple choice question. Okay. MCQ. Now here observe the picture and answer the given questions. Okay. I am going to show you one picture. Observe nicely. Okay. Wow, it's a so bright sunny day. Ooh, so many trees you can see. What the children are doing? What they are doing? They are planting sapling. Okay. How many children are there? There are 2. Yes, observe picture nicely. Okay, students. From this I am going to ask question. I hope you all are ready. Let's see. First question. The above picture is of a rainy day. Raining there in that picture. You saw any rain? No, I don't think. So your answer will be no. You have to click on no. Okay? Now, let's go to the next question. How many children are there in the picture? Options are 3, 2, 1. So, how many children are there? 2. Exactly correct. Okay, you have to click on correct option. 2. Now, shall I go to the next question? Okay, students? So, next question. Question number 3. Where are the children? Options are first one in the school, in the swimming pool, in the garden. Where are the children? Just think. In the garden. Exactly correct. Okay. Children are in the garden. Now question number 4. What are they doing? What are they doing? Options are planting sapling, playing, dancing. What are they doing? Just think. Planting sapling. Exactly correct, student. Very good. Now, ready all of you? Shall I go to the next question? Okay? Very good. Here it comes. Next question. Now here story writing. Okay. In story writing, you remember which story I have done? Yes, Hare and the Tortoise. Okay. So title of the story is, I am going to revise this story. Okay. Listen all of you. Title of the story is The Hare and the Tortoise. One day, Hare and the Tortoise decided to have a race. Okay. So, they decided to have a race, running race. So soon, the hare is very fast in running, but the tortoise moves very slow. Okay. So, hare saw the tortoise is behind. So, I am going to take a small nap. I am going to take a nap. Okay. So, what he did? Tortoise was moving nicely. Okay. It's moving slowly and steadily. Okay, students. The hare woke up and saw, oh my God, the tortoise had reached the winning post. So, the tortoise won the race. Okay, students. So, here moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Okay. I hope you all of you remember the hare and the tortoise story. From that I am going to ask question. Okay. Question number 5. Who fell asleep during the race? Options are the tortoise, the hare, the elephant. Just think. The correct answer is the hare. Okay. Now question number 6. What is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? Options are first one, a friend in need is friend in need. A friend in need is friend indeed. Second one, slow and steady wins a race. Third one, anger leads to sorrow, peace leads to joy. So, which one is correct here? Moral? What is the moral of the story? Just think. Yes, slow and steady wins the race. Very good. Shall I go to the next question? Okay. Next question. Who won the race? All of you know this answer. Here the options are the hare, the dog, the tortoise. Who won the race? The hare, the dog, the tortoise. Just think. Exactly correct. The tortoise. You have to click on that option. The tortoise. Okay. Now, what is the title of the story? What is the title of the story? First one, Two Silly Goats. Second one, The Hare and the Tortoise. Third one, The Fox and the Crow. Here is the options. Let's see which one is correct. What is the title of the story? Yes, The Hare and the Tortoise. Very good, students. Okay. You have to practice at home. You have to study well. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Now next question is from letter writing. You remember letter writing? Yes. To whom you write letter? You have done informal letter. Yes. Whom you write letter? To your relatives, to your friends. Yes. Your relatives like uncle, your aunt, cousin sister, cousin brother, your sister. Okay. And even you can write to your friends. Okay, students? So, here is a question from letter writing. I am going to ask a question from letter writing but format base. Okay. Question number 9. Is address important in letter writing? You have to just click it on yes or no. Which one is correct? Is address important in letter writing? Just think. Just think, all of you. Yes, it's important. Yes, your answer will come as yes. Okay, you have to click it on yes. Now next question. In letter writing, there is no need to write date. Is it important to write date over there? Just think. And where you are writing date? Just think the format. How you all used to write the letter. Again, I am repeating this question. In letter writing, there is no need to write date. You have to answer true or false. Okay? Is this sentence correct? In letter writing, there is no need to write date. Just think. I don't think. It's false. Okay? So, in letter, you should write date. After the address, you used to write date, remember? Yes. After address, you write date, left hand side. Okay, students? Very important, you should know to write letter and remember the format. Okay? I taught you in our last composition period, composition online session. Yes? Remember this points. Okay, students? Do your studies well. Prepare for your SA1 online exam. Okay, students? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.